$200 a month, that's what hosting cost for one project I ran. The same project ended up costing $40 and the app didn't change at all, it just moved. So, where should you host your app? By the end of this video, you'll know which of those two bills you'd rather be paying. When I started shipping software, I connected my GitHub repo to Heroku, pushed my code, and that was the whole job. Heroku built the app, ran it, gave it a domain, hosted the database, and restarted everything when it crashed. Services like this are called platform as a service. Vercel, Railway, and Render all work the same way. You bring the code, they do everything your running app needs. Deploying feels like something you can do with the click of a button, and you never need to think about a server. But then I started a development business, and I was hosting other people's projects too. Here's the problem with platforms. Everything is metered. The app is a cheap line item until it needs a database, more memory, more CPU. And some don't sell you a machine at all. You pay for the seconds that your code runs. A busy month costs more than a quiet one, and your traffic decides that, not you. One project I hosted landed at $200 a month. So I went looking for alternatives, and I found a VPS. A VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, a computer in someone's data center that becomes yours for as long as you pay for it. The billing is simple. You rent the machine at a flat price, and nobody counts what you run on it, as $6 a month buys a small one right now. The customer's app moved onto a box like that, and the database moved next to it. Other projects joined them, same machine, same bill. Unlike the platform, this became just one line on the invoice. $40. But there's a catch. All that work the platform was doing, building, deploying, restarting, updating, on a VPS, nobody is doing that for you. A reverse proxy, Nginx, which catches every request and hands it to the right app. Continuous deployment, the pipeline that ships new code automatically. Mine was the duct tape version. A cron job that checked for new code and shipped it, and plain maintenance, keeping the machine updated and alive. The $160 I saved every month wasn't a discount. I paid for it with my own time. You can take this one step further. A VPS is somebody else's computer that you manage. A home hosting is the same job, but on your own computer. For example, it can be your old laptop. Set it up, let it run in a closet, and treat it like a VPS. The monthly bill this way almost disappears. But in exchange, 3 new lines flip to you: the power, the internet connection, and the hardware itself. When it dies at 3 in the morning, there is no support chat. There's just you, a router, and a very quiet closet. So, where should you host your app? Every option makes you pay. The only thing that changes is the currency, money, or work. If you run one project and your time is short, use a platform. Vercel, Render, Railway, or Fly. A platform is genuinely worth it, and small personal apps can start free. If you host several projects or resource-heavy ones, a flat price machine wins fast. DigitalOcean, Hetzner, Racknerd, or Netcup, and you pay for it in work. And if you want to learn how the internet actually runs, a VPS is the cheapest classroom there is. I'd recommend any of them, 200 or 40, same app, pick the bill you can afford.